Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. I'm Anish Ibnat Manha. Now I'm going to talk about annoying habits. So let's start. Don't slouch. Don't slouch. Don't slurp. Don't slurp. Don't scrap. Don't scrap. Don't crack your knuckles. Don't crack your knuckles. Don't sniff. Don't sniff. Don't burp. Don't burp. Bye bye.